Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I have a Gru and the minions here with a focus on one of the coolest vehicle out there, the GruMobile from Hot Wheels. So whether you're a long-time fan or just discovering it, there is so much to love about this rocket power ride, as it's a unique car that showcased the Gru's creativity, which was in the movie Despicable Me where it was shown. I think that was an incredible scene. But before we get into the detail, let's start with the unboxing. As I love collecting these, they have released a couple of models since 2018. So let's get into the detail. It has a top mounted cockpit in blue, a GRU logo on the sides, and a massive boost rocket engine. It's well designed, but wouldn't it be awesome if they included a working top hatch in the future? Just think about it. Imagine all the possibilities for play. So, what do you think? Should Hot Wheels add that feature? Let me know in the comments. And also, what's your favorite GruMobile moment from the movie? I would like to hear your thoughts. And check out how well the GruMobile performs when it rolls. And it zooms around with such ease. I think it's perfect for racing on the track. If you did a test, let me know in the comments. And how about those grayish color? They really captures the Gru characters, don't you think? Overall, the GruMobile from Hot Wheels is a must-have for any fan. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what other Hot Wheels Diecast car you would like to see reviewed. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.